Guys, andito na naman kami. Diyan kami kumain last time sa ano na yan. Tapos, the river cruise is going. Yung boat na yan, naalis na siya. Dito kami sa Batesman Bay. So, dito kami kumakain ni Daddy before sa mga vlog namin. Marami kaming vlog dito. So, ito na yung place. It's a very nice place to come. And see, Batesman Bay guys. Ayan. Tara! Yun. Nag-order kami ng fish and chips para kumain dito guys. Ay, the boat is going guys. Alis na siya. Bye-bye. Mag-ano sila tour in the bay. Oo. Umulan kasi may pagkain pa yan eh. Kaya lang wala silang 2, 3, 4 lang. 4 lang na tao. Yan, river cruises. Kahit na walang tao, umaalis sila. Oo. Ha? Oo, if it's not raining, ayan na siya. If it's not raining, maraming dito guys. Maglakad ka dyan sa Baywalk. There, sa Baywalk na yan. Yan. Tapos, doon sila noon ni Andrew sa unahan. Nandito din yung trabaho ni Andrew guys. Paano ka lang dyan papunta sa dulo. Yan. So, we used to come here and eat. Every time we are in the bay, we come here and eat and go shopping. At the moment, there's nobody, guys. It's winter. Walang katao-tao. Sus. There's the face of a person. Hey. Guys, ito yung island. Ayan. Look at the rocks. Para siyang volcanic rock. There's okay. That's where we went. Up there. Ayan guys, ang island ho. Ayan, nagsisurfing sila guys. Okay guys. Yan na, ang beach. Maglakad sana kami. Wala naman dito yung apo. They're not even here yet, Daddy. Saka may mga birds na kumakain ito, guys. This is guys, tingnan nyo. This is a Australian plant. Ayan. Pero hindi ko kasi maano. Type of wattle. Ayan. Para siyang yellow wattle tree. Ito yung nasa nyo guys. Ayan. Wattle tree. Ayan. Kinakain ng birds. O, tingnan nyo na lang. Hindi masyado makita. But anyway. Ayan. I think Marie is looking for the car of the kids. Naghihintay kami sa apo. Oo, kasi maglakad daw sila. Pero wala pa sila dito. Lakarin nila yung island. Yan, lakarin nila yung island na ayan. So mga 2 kilometers walk sa mga bata tapos mag-explore sila siguro ba. Pero wala pa sila dito. Hintayin muna natin. Yan ang dagat. Pero nakapunta kami ni Daddy dito noon, 'di ba, sa vlog namin. Doon kami sa taas. May viewing deck doon sa taas na white that there is like a marine display. Up the top, remember? We sat down and eat. There's a restaurant up here. Daddy, there's a fish and chip shop in the like wharf.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright. Doon kami galing sa unahan. Ito, ayan. So, nag-walk kami, guys. Ang lapad, ang layo, guys. So, ayun, oh. Doon pa kami pupunta. So, mga 30 minutes. That's not bad, Mari. This took us like 30 minutes. That's all right, Tay. Oh, yeah, correct. How are you going there, Dad? Good? Hi? Yeah, we'll go and have lunch. Yes, yes, yes. Alright. We have one set of rocks to go. Then we are back. See how far we went? And guys, ang layo. Mga 30 minutes walk. We're done. Ang layo na ng nalakad namin, guys. Tingnan niyo yung mga rocks dito. Daming rocks. It's a rock party. Ayan o. Yun, doon pa kami pupunta. Okay. And then, mag-lunch tayo, guys. Guys, tingnan nyo yung wave. Mga surfers naghihintay. Yan. Oh, big wave coming. Woohoo! Yan. Mga surfers nandyan. Nearly to the car na tayo. So guys, quesadilla. Tada. You can open niya. Ice cream. I'll eat ice cream. Ooh, unwrapping. Unboxing. Unwrapping, unboxing. Basta yun. Okay guys, nagano kami. Oh yeah, railing for JG&C stainless steel. Ayan. Meron sila guys. So tapos na kami mag-shopping. Ang dami naming dala. So magkasya siya sana sa suitcase guys. We're gonna give to family and friends. Yan ang aim. Give it to family and friends.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.